woza siphethe isoccer pitch yethu talking Sundowns yazi week na week veki na veki niphethe umsheke ilegend ye-Sundowns siphethe exclusive guest special guest sethu namhlanje lapha ku Talking Sundowns ngoba masanawana siyancanywa blind siphethe uLindo Pep Jayami siyakwamkela manje bamkelekile endlini yethu
hayi ayidali line up lokungidla mara ngicela ukuze la line up ngithi mangilongoma apha mabaloku abo coach introduce ngisheke ngilongithi baloku but patience ngilongithi no it's understandable yazi why OJ Mabizela Thabo Ngomeni Innocent Mdledle Michael Kambule inzima ke leyo yase Davidson shit bheka amabele ngiyaqeda bheka kakaqedi bese uphethe ukushekesheke lapha yana ezicream yazi lokwenzani sometimes you drop lipazo support azolanda a driver inete elishawa lapha mjaka no the team is strong yazi baceda manje ke yazi manje ni-Edan uzol Edan ni-Eda left footer receiver nge-outside foot maceda sometimes iphathi ngabhekanga
yeah
bafethu kamnandi sithetha nge-left footer yethu uThapelo Masiko bafethu shaya subscribe lapho siphethe uLindo siphethe uShakes umjaka lo Talking Sundowns sifuna nina nijoine up nikhulise le family siphethe left footer enzima bafethu ibine World Cup enzima Lindo ibine World Cup enzima lengwenye Thapelo Masiko mara for whatever reason ama-offers ingathi awangiyeni eminyango man ingathi akukokoto eminyango wakhe kwenzeka ntoni
yeah man inkalakatha nami I'm very surprised man why ingana offer I was considering even that in the Betway Premiership knowing that the Sundowns is not a selling club number 1 and they will never ever babhayisela ama-rivals wabo you know I think it's very clear I think that's why nomfana simthathile samise side class where no one watches the league sengikhulumela from thina ngayiye eMzansi but other than that very surprised even from the big European teams mjaka I was expecting a Belgium njengoba uRila hambile even a Saudi Arabia a Morocco a Egypt a Al Ahly for me I was expecting Lauma move because if we check up his European gold umfana he's got pace he's got a deadly left foot yes in terms of decision making umjaka umfana can always improve msheke I think that sometimes I'm a player who play at the highest level and players maybe who don't play at the highest level in Jaga. I think sometimes the difference becomes decision making, more especially when it matters. But umfana uyibonakalisile in the World Cup. For me, I think it's just a matter of time before Thola I move.
Madam Shege, urele wambe straight. No trial, no mara akacontributanga as much as uThapelo. You know nangu Makhanya ebese benchini uMakhanya mara uyojoin iRangers manje yabona lezo zinto msheke I'm sure ziyakhuluma lezo zinto ukuthi kanjani umfana ebezibonakalisa especially for iBafana he was probably the best performing player and masimala amagoli as well he's one of the few on amagoli
yeah mchaka no ngiyakuzwa man no urile naye ulindile man azange aye same time let's be honest abomkota abahambile umfana walida until isikhathi sakhe and I doubt ukuthi naye futhi i-call yakhe it was because of the World Cup I think it was something planned even before so yeah uMaseko had a really great World Cup uMaseko you know he was one of lama player lawa bewathi mawabamba ibhola ubona ukuthi ama opponent ngempela ayamtatazelela because of his pace that he has and his skill, you know, he's got le pace lesabekayo man. So bebathusa and uyabona ukuthi mangadlala eEurope man unayo leyo nto leyo yokwathusa ama defender even though uLindo sekashilo that final pass that final third can improve, you know, but yena ngempela he made a big impression in the World Cup and phela ku-World Cups international competition nje it seems like ukuthi uMaseko uyarise you know ama-opponents lawa aphesheya ayamsaba lo mfana ngoba uza ngeke ipace yabo
ne-AFL msheke
yeah
ne-AFL he was one of the best players must be in AFL.
Yes, AFL he was one of the best players. He was voted the best player of the tournament. So he rises when it comes to these international competitions. And you know, what more than a World Cup, you know. He was the one player who obega impressive ngempela in that World Cup. So it is surprised ukuthi there is no interest in him, but I think it's just isikhathi man, isikhathi yonke into inesikhathi sayo, khona into ezomvelela umfana ngoba la ekhaya angeke simuse somewhere else. Uyazi ukuthi sinjani linto, asijekisi thina la eSouth
No, no, no,
Africa.
no. Yeah, no. Msheke, leya muntu leyana sikutshele something. Wena nyawuza ukuthi uphethe le pace esabekayo. Asiyibizi transport, awuphethe transport. Mase unaleya pace sithi transport. Lo muntu uphethe enye transport ukuthi yazi ushota ngani? Ushota ngekalma. Nokuthi asithele ngamanzi ayikenge in the box.
Yeah.
And I still don't understand why till today, mina Mjala. Till today, even Nomrema, I saw it so many times, Dion Hoto. Where I'm a player, see a breaker into the line, in between the fullback and the centre back. They take a touch. Then they pass the opponent. I will not understand it till today, where you have time, you are allowed to take an extra touch even if you come closer to the line. Every time I'm area, whether it's Spelebele, whether it's Umudao, Opri is probably one that we have in the league that picks a man when he gets into those areas. So, yeah, for me, Otapelo, maybe that's the quality he can improve in his game. You know, where when he gets into those lines where he's makes the right decision, whether he goes over last pole, you see Penado, Mafia in the final third, they're very decisive in Chaka. Oh, Halan by house, they pick him last pole and getting pass. Check him vela deep, they pick him go 6 ball. Can we pick players better in the final time? And I know coaches do this all the time in training. By tuna riding a machita. Not good developments, I emphasize riding a child. You understand? But other than that, I think Masego, the fact that you was figure Gulauma position. He dangerous. He dangerous. But manje, I think for him, Gulama League, it's about that decision, man. That decision.
Hey, ingathi ukhuluma ngathi ngalabafana ubathumela kuma trial uyazi ukuthi uzophasa ngoba you saying he impresses kulama temporary tournament mara for whatever reason yeah,
to be honest with you, ngibona adlala in any league, in any team, if he could fix that final decision making, lo mfana uphethe yonke into Mjaka, can play in any league with that pace, with that skill he has, you know, just that final decision. Mangalungisa riding, ngicela ukuthi angadlala noma yikuphi.
Lindo indoni le ibonwa nguwe no Shakes nabanye abantu le Miguel Cardoso angayiboniyo ke ngoba ingathi ugqibile ngaye wena Lindo, akamnikanga ne chance ukuthi adlale ne team ambone, akamnikanga ne chance ukuthi aye overseas eAustria ke umshiya phe edlalini wathi ungasifumanela iclub.
Surprising because you need a left footer in that attack. I thought that we needed a left footer in midfield. I saw they brought to Opri, Urisinho, you know, it took him time. Because gear all the time. In attack, I've always felt Osales, I like him when he comes as a second striker. Magasondela Tuzani in a striker, not Magakamuga from wide, you know. Yamtanda left to but low left the same thing I said. You know, must to Vela. You look at Tepan Moreni. You know, must to Vela. 1 touch, 2 touch. You know, and we make a decision. It's either we take a shot in the box or we decide with a cross. The cross you're going to pass. That's the quality that Tomasego gives you because Osalim, he comes from the right hand side. Al-Ked, you know, that's what he wants, Osalim, you know, but the quality Tomasego is more, not too far from Utsepang Moreni. I think very similar profile, but that's why Bambi's Aguero is very clinical as well. Where he's got an eye for goal. I think we saw him in the World Cup.
Is it mhlambi ke Msheke ucoach ubona enosaleng nolikhaku mhlambi athi yazi ntoni, I don't need another one.
But you see that profile, sorry Msheke, but you see that profile Mjaka, it's similar. It's on the right, Msheke. It's on the right. Yeah. On the left hand side. With a dangerous left footer. Yes. Maximum width, you know, sometimes to open the game.
Yeah.
Don't always cut in. Okay,
I think that's the way he would suit more for Sundowns, you know. When he's playing on the left and he brings in those crosses, at least to Leon, uyazi ukuthi uzongena lapha near post a finish, you know, with the movement Yaga Leon. I think he can umuntu ongasiza kakhulu lapha on the left with the pace yakhe. Yabo, thina mostly ama-player wethu esiwaphethe abosaleng njengoba usho umuntu we-chop 1-2 uyangena phakathi uyakhatha in uyafinisha yabo. But I think for Ramasego it will help if we can be more direct. One, afake ibhola alithole spacing aye nge-pace afake i-cross. That's a different dimension enikayo futhi Sundowns which they never really had. To be honest with you, makafika ku-Sundowns, I knew he's a good player, but I didn't know if he can be a good player at Sundowns, because Sundowns uyazi inika laphayana siyalinika yabo, you don't hold on to the ball too much, and then he likes to run with the ball a lot. So I think the best position for him is where he plays it in, he moves into the space, he gets it down the line, he plays in the cross. I think that's the best way he would suit for Sundowns.
Isishiyaphi ke ngokulento Lindo, isishiyaphi nje yami. Iyammoshela uThapelo lento because mhlambe kuzaba khama ama-club amaningi la azozibuza questions, but why is no one signing this guy? Why are there no teams knocking on his door even after this performance? Or ithetha into nge-Sundowns ba kunzima ungena or whatever message it's sending about Sundowns, but why wouldn't they take their player back? Ithetha ukuthini lento sijonge from eliphi icala Lindo?
I don't think this is a Sundowns problem. Sundowns owns the player, but I think Sundowns has made it very clear that we are either considering him, you guys, we're putting him up for loan, or you guys can make a sale. Putting him, I think it's very clear sometimes, and it's understandable, right? Maybe Miguel Cardoso, I'm not there, I'm not in the boardroom, so I can't make those decisions. But Miguel Cardoso probably is not in Miguel Cardoso's plans. He did it in Neo Miami. But what's surprising is that they gave Neo Miami a 2-year contract. Does that say Neo him back into the club? You know?
That was the interesting thing. Yeah, that was very interesting.
Goff went for 3 loans. He's back at the club to become, are we saying the third choice, second choice? I think Goff will play. I think he's going to be an important part of that squad. So I'm looking at Thapelo's situation and I'm saying, Begazela boy, maybe, you never know. There's always change of heart in these teams. But I do believe he's an asset. How old is him, Jar? Is he 23, 24?
23, 24 actually.
Come on. That's a very important
24.
resource. And another thing, just to mention something, this is something that we don't, I know I'm a technical analyst, whatever, but there's something, no, I was listening about Yoper, you know, just consuming a lot of content just before the start of the season, just to refresh your brain. The most important quality, again, that's not ringing in South African football, is the ability of a player to ask media and know how to represent and to speak well. Did you listen to Thapelo during World Cup when he said, even if Nano Mabangati see travel for 10 hours in the grounding, we still give 10 out of 10. Sometimes you look at the attitude, you look at that boy, with or without, he's going to be successful. Not just in your mentality. I'm not worried about Thapelo. I'm not worried.
Yeah.
Wherever Azoya corner is going to do well.
Yeah, no, 100%. Ulindo uyayibeka, the mental capacity of a player is very important, and there is something azoyidinga manje ukuthi abe mentally strong, angafili like he's not a good player. I mean, he's just come back from the World Cup. He's one player obekashisa ku World Cup. Even though things don't seem to be working out for him now, I think that mental strength anayo izomsiza ukuthi just continue working hard. There's something ezoqhamuka for yena Mjaga. I mean, he showed in the World Cup that he's a good player.
Bafethu, sithethile ngo-goalkeeper problem efuneka sincokole ngayo on another show. I-striker sethu, is he gonna take top goal scorer this season? Zezinye izinto endifuna sincokole ngazo xa sinexesha elininzi madoda. Okwangoku ndifuna sincokole nje ngoThapelo Masiko, simake sure iSoccer Beat family yethu iya-contributor nayo. Isixelela how they feel about the situation kaThapelo. Otherwise, Soccer Beat family, naku Lindo, naku Shakes, the goalkeeper situation. Is our Colombian gonna be the leading goal scorer kulo nyaka? Any other question onayo? Ulindo ukhulumile ngoNeo Mayema abomkhulise. You know, they are renewing eklabhini mara abatholi ma chance. Ukhulumile ngazo lezo zinto. Ne, sabonga bafethu bazokhala sophinda sibuye bafethu zonke ezo zinto. Hit us in the comments, nibuze naku Lindo naku Shakes zonke izinto nincokele ngazo. Anything onayo engenye nge-Sundowns, nangabantu abayi-2 Shakes and Lindo bakhona soccer pit yethu siyabonga bafethu danko.